Hey guys, I've got something really cool to show you, and this is something that we've never seen before, and this is live behind the scenes filming of intro cutscenes for Zombies. It's like in studio with the full mocaps and the actors and everything, and this is being brought to us by Polygon, so big shout out to them. I'm gonna have their article down in the description. You guys go check it out. It's a full article where they go and visit Treyarch Studios and get some behind the scenes information. And a big shout out to Madgas for sending me this article. The article reads, meet the studio behind Call of Duty Black Ops and Zombies mode. Before the reveal of Black Ops 4, Treyarch looks back at its work on Call of Duty. In March, Polygon received an invitation to visit Treyarch, one of Activision's most prolific studios. The invitation was fairly straightforward. Come to Santa Monica, California for a full day, talk with one of the teams working on Call of Duty, one of the world's biggest video game franchises, and tell their story. If you scroll all the way down, you can read all about the history of how Zombies started out, and then when you get to this part right here, this is where you get to see the behind the scenes footage. The caption reads, the Call of Duty franchise is known for its pioneering work in performance capture. The sequence was created inside Treyarch's own state-of-the-art motion capture facility in California. Here's a screenshot of the actual filming of the intro cutscene of The Giant, and this is their motion capture studio. You can see the actors there, and then the animated Richtofen. And if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to play the entire intro cutscene showing the behind the scenes footage so you guys can see how it's all put together. It's really interesting, and I'd like to see more of these, and hopefully we can in the future.
Stay by me, Samantha. Goodbye, Dr. Maxis.
This ain't funny, Doc.
Turn around. Slowly.
Do you know who I am?
Yeah, we know. That's why you better do exactly what we say.
A great evil approaches. There is a chain of events that must be set in motion.
The future hangs by a thread. You must awaken the test subjects.
Richtofen, whatever you're thinking of doing, don't do it!
You do not want to meet what's on the other side of that door.
You cannot begin to comprehend the great evil you could unleash.
Damn it, Richtofen, I thought we were done with this!
What can I say, Dempsey? Things change.
Only a fool would dare to change history.
I am no fool. What I do only to secure a better tomorrow.
Yeah? Well, let's see if we live to see it.